Hello, in front of me I've got Flydigi Apex 5. In this video I'll show you how to change screen graphic. To change the controller screen graphic, let's go to Flydigi Space Station and go to screen. Here you can enable or disable, you can set up custom animation, or you can select animation from pre-installed. Make sure that the controller is connected via cable. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.